local baseball teams, the Oakland Athletics and San Francisco Giants, were warming up for Game 3 of the World Series. At 5:04 p.m., live coverage had begun when the earthquake struck. The shaking lasted 15 seconds. The Bay Bridge and roadways collapsed. Buildings crumbled and neighborhoods sank. We can't replicate the full force of the quake's upward and downward motions, but this simulation gives you a sense of what people experienced. 63 people died, nearly 4,000 injured, and thousands more left homeless. But the city's most famous earthquake packed a much bigger punch. Let's imagine San Francisco more than 100 years ago. The city had grown rapidly since the gold rush. A population of 300 swelling to 400,000. Redwood forests provided cheap lumber for this building boom. April 18, 1906, 5:12 a.m. The city begins to wake. The shaking lasted 90 seconds, 3 times longer than you just experienced. After the shaking stopped, a massive fire broke out, burning 28,000 buildings to the ground. More than 3,000 people died in the 1906 earthquake and fires, one of the greatest urban catastrophes of the time. Thousands more acres of old-growth forest disappeared as the city rebuilt and rose from the ashes. We don't know when the next earthquake will take place, but we can all make choices to help ensure our safety when it does. Look around. What shifted during the quakes? The pictures on the wall, the books and dishes, the chandelier above you, all could rattle loose during a tremor. In the next part of our exhibit, learn how people have adapted to life on shaky ground.